So in the second method, we are going to find the area of this triangle ABC by breaking the triangle into three different triangles. How we will split the triangle into three different triangles is such that there's a center O, isn't it? So we will join O together with the point A, O with the B and O with the C. So if I join O and A, O and B and O and C, you can see three triangles. Can you name the triangle? One triangle is AOB. The next one is BOC. And the third one is AOC. So instead of finding area of triangle ABC, we will be finding area of these three triangles and we will sum it up. So we will start with area of triangle AOB. We are applying the formula half base into height. Half into base into height. So half into, we are taking the base as AB. Why? Because we know the length of AB. That is the reason. So half into base is AB into height. What is height? Height is the perpendicular line drawn from the opposite vertex. We took the base as AB, so opposite vertex is O and OF is perpendicular. Why? Because OF is the radius and F is the point of contact. By the theorem, it is perpendicular. That means OF will be acting as a perpendicular height to AB. Okay, that means if we are taking AB as the base, OF will be the height of the triangle. So half into OB into OF. So that is equal to half into AB. AB is x plus 8 into OF is actually the radius, which is 4. Let it be there. Again, take the area of triangle BOC. There which we will take as the base, we will take the base as BC. So BC into, can you say the height there? Height is the perpendicular drawn to BC. So here clearly this is angle 90 degree. So the height will be OD. So half into BC into OD, which is equal to half into BC is actually 8 plus, this is 6. 8 plus 6, which gives you 14 centimeter into OD is the radius of the circle, which is 4 centimeter. I'm not cancelling, let it be there itself. Again, the third triangle, area of triangle AOC. So half into, can you say which is the base? Base is actually CE. CE is also 6 centimeter. So CE into, what will be the height? Height will be OE because this is perpendicular 90 degree. So into OE, that is equal to half into CE. What is CA? CA, the side CA. CA is x plus 6 and OE is the radius, which is 4 centimeters. So we got all the areas. So instead of finding area of triangle ABC, we will calculate area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle AOC. Just add it up, half into x plus 8 into 4 plus half into 14 into 4 plus half into x plus 6 into 4. Can you identify anything common from the three term? Half is common, 4 is common, isn't it? The balance in the first term is x plus 8. Balance in the second term is 14. And balance in the third term is x plus 6. For taking this common term, that is the reason why I didn't cancel the elements here. Okay. So that is equal to half into 4 will give you the value 2. Again, x plus x gives you the value 2x plus 14 plus 6 gives you 20. 20 plus 8 gives you 28. Okay. So let this be equation number 2. We got the area of triangle ABC again. In the first equation also we got an area for the same triangle. In the second equation also we got an area for triangle ABC. A triangle cannot have two different areas. So that implies area found out in equation number 1 and area which we got in equation number 2 must be equal. So from 1 and 2 we can say that what was the area which we got in the first equation? The area which we got in the first equation is square root of x plus 14 into x into 8 into 6, isn't it? And in the second equation we got the area as 2 into 2x plus 28. Okay, on the left side there is a square root and on the right side there is no square root. To avoid the square root, what we can do is we can square both sides. So left side the square will go leaving x plus 14 into x into 8 into 6, and on the right side we have to square. 2 square is 2 square itself, and here we are getting 2x plus 28 the whole square. So let's just simplify to get the value of x. So on the left side we are getting x plus 14 into x into 8 into 6, and on the right side 2 square is there. 2 square is 4. Okay, and here actually in the two terms there is a common 2. And there is a square for that 2. So if I take it outside it will become 2 square. Clear? This term is actually 2 into x plus 14 the whole square, isn't it? This term, so 2 square is there. 2 square will be 4 and x plus 14 the whole square is x plus 14 the whole square. So I am writing like that. This 4 is the value of this 2 square, and from this bracket also there is a 2 which is having a square. Again a 2 square is there. So 4 into 2 square into x plus 14 the whole square. That is what we are getting. And on the left side and right side 4 and 8 get cancelled, giving you 2. Okay. So what we get on the left side is x plus 14 into x into 2 into 6 equal to right side is 2 square. 2 square is actually 2 into 2 into x plus 14 the whole square. Again cancellation is possible. 2 get cancelled. Isn't it? Again 2 and 6 get cancelled, giving you 3. X plus 14 on the right side and x plus 14 the whole square on the right side. 1 x plus 14 get cancelled. And what is the balance on the left side? Balance on the left side is 3x. So 3x equal to, and what about the balance on the right side, which is x plus 14. So we are getting 2x equal to 14 and x is equal to 7. This was what we need. Okay, and what was our question? To find the side AB and AC. What was AB? X plus 8. So AB will be equal to x plus 8, which is equal to 7 plus 8, which is 15 centimeter. And what about AC? AC will be equal to x plus 6, which is equal to 7 plus 6, which is equal to 13 centimeter. This was our question. Okay, to find the side AB and AC. What we did is we applied the area of the triangle in two ways and we equated both the values. For the first equation, we got the area of the triangle in this way inside the square root by applying the Heron's formula. And in the second part, we got the area of the triangle when we splitted the triangle into 3 and we sum it up. We got area of the triangle like this. When we are equating, we are getting the value of x as 7 and we are getting the sides AB as 15 centimeter and AC as 13 centimeter.